Hello, my dear children. I hope all of you are doing well. So, do you love to hear stories? Today, I'll tell you a story. Do you love to hear story? Okay. Today, I'll tell you a story about a boy named Bruno. So, there was a boy lived Bruno. A boy named Bruno lived in a house. One day Bruno was playing with his toys. Suddenly his mother called him to come to the kitchen. So she asked Bruno to keep all the toys in the toy basket. Bruno started keeping the toys in the toy basket. At that time, he heard the sound of his favorite cartoon from the next room. So he loved to see cartoons. At that time, he heard the sound of his favorite cartoon. Without keeping the toys in the toy basket, Bruno went to see the cartoon. So all the toys are spread on the floor. After some time, Bruno's friend Ali came to his home. Bruno's friend Ali came to Bruno's home. Bruno was very happy to see Ali and he took Ali to Bruno's room. As all the toys were spread on the floor, Ali slipped over a car and fell down. What happened, children? Ali slipped over a car and he fell down. Bruno was very sad and he realized his mistake. He understood his mistake. So Bruno thought that, oh my God, I spread all my toys here, and because of that Ali slipped over this car and fell down. Bruno was very sad. He realized his mistake and he said to Ali, I'm so sorry Ali, I will not spread my toys on the floor from now. So Bruno understood his mistake. He realized his mistake and he told Ali that, I'm so sorry Ali, I will not spread my toys on the floor from now. Ali told, it's okay Bruno, no problem. Ali told, it's okay, no problem. That is not a problem. Nothing happened to me. Now we can go to play. So Ali called Bruno to play. So they played for a long time. After that, both of them kept all the toys in the toy basket. So together they kept all the toys in the toy basket, and after that they went to have their lunch. So how was the story? So like Bruno, you should not keep your toys spread on the floor. You should not spread your toys on the floor. Instead, you have to keep all your toys arranged in your toy basket. After playing, you have to keep all your toys arranged in the toy basket. Did you understand, children? Now, we'll try to read some simple sentences using the words we studied earlier. Are you ready, children? Shall we read it? Now say this. Look on the board. A net. A wet net. A net is on a jet. The net is red. The red net is wet. Now let's repeat this once again. A net. Repeat it after me. A net. A wet net. Yes, repeat it, children. A wet net. A net is on a jet. A net is on a jet. The net is red. The net is red. The red net is wet. The red net is wet. So we'll read this once again. A net, a wet net. A net is on a jet. The net is red. The red net is wet. Now see this. A hen. Ben and a hen. Ben has a pet hen. The hen is red. Ben fed the hen. Now we'll repeat this once again. A hen. Repeat it, children. A hen. Ben and a hen. Repeat it. Ben and a hen. Ben has a pet hen. Ben has a pet hen. The hen is red. The hen is red. Ben fed the hen. Ben fed the hen. Did you understand, children? Now we are going to do an activity. See this. Cross the odd word in each row. We have already done this activity. See this, children. First one is L-E-G, leg. B-E-G, beg. K-E-G, keg. P-E-T, pet. Now can you tell me which is the odd one here? Leg, beg, keg, pet. Pet is the odd one here. Now H-E-N, hen. T-E-N, ten. R-E-D, red. M-E-N, men. Now which is the odd one here? Hen, ten, red, men. Yes, red is the odd one. Red. Rest all are N sound and red is ed sound. B-E-D, bed. R-E-D, red. Z-E-N, zen. F-E-D, fed. Bed, red, zen, fed. Which is the odd one? Zen. That is N sound and all the other words are ed sound. N-E-T, net. W-E-D, wed. P-E-T, pet. G-E-T, get. Net, wed, pet, get. Now can you tell me which is the odd one here? Wed. Wed is the odd one because it is ed sound and rest all these are et sound. Now Y-E-T, yet. W-E-T, wet. W-E-B, web. J-E-T, jet. Now which is the odd one here? Yet, wet, web, jet. Web is the odd one. We have learned this. Do you remember what is the sound here? Eb sound. All these are et sound and here it is eb sound. D-E-N, den. T-E-N, ten. M-E-N, men. Y-E-S, yes. So which is the odd one here? Den, ten, men, yes. Yes is the odd one because the sound is S and here the sound is N. L-E-T, let. M-E-T, met. G-E-M, gem. G-E-T, get. Let, met, gem, get. Which is the odd one here? Gem, because it is N sound and all the other words are it sound. So we can cross it. Did you understand, children? Now we are going to learn about this. Do you know when we use this? This is used to speak about a thing that is near to us. I'll show you something. What is this, children? This is a pen. This is a pen. This pen is near to me. This is a pen. This pen is near to me. So say this. This is a pen. This is a pen. Did you understand? Now, what is this? This is a book. This is a book. And this book is near to me. This is a book. Say this. This is a book. This is a book. Did you understand? Now, what is this? This is a chalk, and this chalk is near to me. This is a chalk. Did you understand, children? Now, look on to the board, children. So, we have learned this is. Now, here is a worksheet for you, and you have to complete this worksheet using this is. The first one is done here. This is a bed. And what is the second one? This is a net. What is the next one? This is a bag. And the next one? This is a pen. And what about the last one? This is a keg. Did you understand, children? So, this is your homework. Now, you have one more homework. Today, we are going to learn the letters M, 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 N, N, N. Okay. Now the next one is O, O, O. And the last one is P, P, P. So today we have learned 4 letters M, N, O and P. So you have to write all these words in your 4-line book. Once you do the homework, take a photograph and send it to me in school WhatsApp number. See you in next class. Thank you.